Have you ever wondered why some men seem to be charmingly confident but end up being overly self-centered and manipulative? It's a question that takes us into the mind of an agentic narcissist. Yes, you heard that right, an agentic narcissist. These are individuals characterized by a high degree of self-focus, manipulative tendencies, and a relentless pursuit of their own gains. Intriguing, isn't it? Their charm and charisma are not just tools for attraction, but strategic weapons used to draw people into their web of control. It's a world where everything revolves around them, and they're the puppet masters pulling the strings. They're like skilled magicians, with their charm as the spell that blinds you from their true intentions. But don't be disheartened. Knowledge is power, and understanding this mindset is your first line of defense. Understanding the mindset of an agentic narcissist is the first step towards protecting oneself from their manipulative tactics. Ever noticed peculiar gestures that seem out of place? That might be a sign of agentic narcissism. Non-verbal cues can be a powerful tool in detecting narcissistic behaviors. These cues often reveal more about a person's character than their words. It's like they're speaking a secret language, and we're here to crack the code. Consider excessive preening, for instance. This can be a sign of someone who is overly concerned with their image, a common trait amongst agentic narcissists. Dominant posturing, too, can be a giveaway. This might include behaviors like standing in a way that takes up a lot of space or frequently interrupting others. And let's not forget the lack of empathetic expressions. Empathy involves mirroring another person's emotions, which narcissists often struggle with. If you notice someone rarely shows genuine concern or understanding, it could be a red flag. Recognizing these nonverbal cues can aid in identifying a potential agentic narcissist. But how can you tell if someone's body language is just confident or veering into narcissistic territory? It's a fine line, isn't it? Let's dive into some signs that might indicate manipulative body language. One common tactic is excessive mirroring. This is when a person copies your body language, gestures, or speech patterns. It's a subtle way to create a false sense of familiarity or connection. Another sign is the invasion of personal space. A manipulative person might stand too close or touch you without your permission. This is a way to assert dominance and control. Then, there's the lack of eye contact. While it's common for people to occasionally break eye contact during a conversation, consistent avoidance can be a sign of manipulation. It's as if they're trying to hide something, right? Remember, these signs alone do not diagnose someone as a narcissist. They're just red flags to watch out for. Being aware of these warning signs can help you steer clear of potential emotional harm. So, how can you protect yourself from these manipulative individuals? Understanding the importance of setting boundaries in relationships is vital, particularly when dealing with potential agentic narcissists. These personalities thrive on dominating and controlling others, often crossing lines that should never be crossed. To counteract this, establishing clear, firm boundaries is key. This means defining what is acceptable behavior and what is not, what you are willing to tolerate and what you are not. It's also crucial to communicate your needs and expectations explicitly. This can be a daunting task, especially when dealing with someone who tends to overpower conversations. But remember, your voice matters. Your needs and feelings are important. By expressing them clearly, you not only maintain a healthy dynamic in your relationship, but also assert your worth. Boundaries are not just walls to keep harm at bay. They're also bridges to understanding, respect, and self-empowerment. Remember, setting boundaries is not just about protecting yourself, but also about asserting your worth. But what if you're already entangled with an agentic narcissist? You may wonder, well, fear not, because there are strategies for self-preservation you can deploy. Firstly, practice emotional detachment. This doesn't mean you stop caring or become indifferent. It simply means you refuse to let your emotions be controlled by the narcissist. You maintain a healthy distance between their actions and your emotional response. Secondly, seek support from trusted individuals. Share your experiences with friends, family, or even online communities who understand and can offer advice. Their perspectives can often provide clarity and reassurance. Lastly, don't hesitate to consider professional help if required. Therapists and counselors are equipped with tools and strategies to help you navigate these complex emotional landscapes. They can provide a safe space for you to explore your feelings and guide you towards healing and recovery. Remember, you have the power to navigate and overcome emotional manipulation. You are not alone.